And what's going on, everybody? I hope that everyone had a great Christmas, a great New Year's. I definitely know I did. I know that I haven't really uploaded in a little bit. That's because I had some family down, and I've actually been working on my house, doing drywall and everything, so I've been actually really busy. But now that things are slowing back down, I will be going back to my normal uploading schedule, uploading every few days. So definitely be up for new uploads now that things are being a little bit back normal. But to the point of today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can get all your power out of your 2011 or newer Mustangs. Now, I know for sure that this works on the Mustang GTs. I'm not 100% about the 4-cylinder V6, but you can definitely try on yours, and comment down below if it does or doesn't work. Now, as I'm sure many of y'all know how to turn off your traction control, all you're going to do is push this button right here one time, the traction control light comes up, you push the button again, and it goes away. Now, to turn on the sport mode, all you're going to do is with your foot on the brake, all you're going to do is push the button 2 times, and it comes up with Advanced Track Sport Mode. Now, to turn off the traction control and the stability control completely, all you're going to do is push the brake in, and then you're going to hold this button for about 5 seconds, and hold it for about 5 seconds, wait for this message to come up. It says Advanced Track Off. Now, with that message coming up, your stability control and your traction control is going to be completely off, so it's pretty much just you driving the car. Now, this right here could be useful if you're going to be doing donuts, if you're racing somebody, if you're at the drag strip, anything. But guys, that will do it for today's video. I know it was really short, but I just wanted to upload a video just so y'all know that, I haven't stopped making YouTube videos and I haven't disappeared or anything. It's just I've been busy over the holidays, rebuilding my house and seeing family. But I would definitely stay tuned because I have a ton of videos planned. You can follow my Instagram if you want to get a little bit of a sneak peek to certain videos, but there's definitely some good content coming. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.